Today we're going to turn these into those. Welcome to Post 5 Production. So I recently made a scissor lift. My own fault. I cheaped out on the casters. Got them from Harbor Freight. So this is what they did look like, and this is what this one ended up looking like. So we are going to upgrade these no bearing cheap urethane casters with these wheels that do have bearings from an old pair of rollerblades. I've already replaced both of these on this side. It wasn't a perfect take out and replace. I had to do a little shimming and everything, so I thought practice on those two, bring you along for the ride on the other two. It's that easy. Just an old rollerblade that the kids outgrew that still had some decent bearings in it. And swapped out these cheap, $4 a piece casters for the the good ball bearing casters. Now my scissor lift can, oh my gosh, it rolls around so much better now. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Post 5 Productions. Till next time, catch you later.